What's up, guys? Got another video for you today. In this one, we're going to be going over our internal slave cylinder that we offer for the AP1 and AP2 S2000. First, I'm going to show you what's included in the kit, how to shim it, and how to mount it up. So first, what's included in my kit? You got your slave cylinder, your clutch and bleeder line, your 3 mounting screws, and your retainer sleeve. So how to shim it? Where do the shims go? It's quite simple. When you get your bearing, it's going to be the sleeve and the roller bearing. So pop this off. Once you get your measurements and figure out how many shims you need, you get this retainer, slide them over, and press the bearing on. Now how do you install it? On your input shaft, you're going to see your OEM retainer that's held on by these 3 bolts. You just loosen them up, remove it, put it to the side. You use your new retainer sleeve, put it inside your bearing, and slide it over your input shaft. Now in this bearing, you'll notice you're going to have a wiper seal, which pretty much just prevents dust or any dirt from getting inside the housing, as well as your little donut seal. Now the donut seal, if you don't eat it, prevents fluid from coming out. After you have everything mocked up and bolted on, just give these 3 screws nice little hand tight over the input shaft and get yourself going. It's pretty simple. Send us a DM if you'd like to see any more instructional videos on any of the parts you're interested in buying, and we'll get that done for you. Alrighty? Well, that concludes this video, everybody.